Hello, fabulous friends. Welcome to another edition of Cooking Shenanigans with Mrs. Anderson. So we are going to use the rest of our candy bar squares to make s'mores. Now, friends, our first math problem today, we started with 8 squares. That's our biggest number, 8, because that's how many we had. We're going to take away the 3 that Eric and I ate. 8 minus 3 equals how many we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how many s'mores we'll be able to make. How many did I count?
3.
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many?
Not any.
5.
But
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Very good. Now, friends, it's very important, or parents, if you're listening, it's very important that we say how many at the end and expect the student, or if you're the student, that you know that how many you counted is how many there are. Now, so we have 5 s'mores that we're going to make. And so to make s'mores, we just have graham crackers and chocolate and marshmallows. Now, usually we have bigger marshmallows than that. We're just going to use what we have. And actually, it makes it more mathy, so I like it even better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, Eric, give me a number, 1 through 10.
Okay.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10.
Okay.
Tell me a number.
10.
10? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Can 2 more fit? Whoops, because I know that 8 and 2 more makes 10, right? 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10! Yay, we did it! Now, give me another number.
Okay. 5.
5. I like that number. Okay, so this one has, let's spread it out a little bit. This one has 10. Now we're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 plus the 4 more that stayed on there equals 5. Let's put that 1 back on there. There you go. We can look at this lots of different ways. We can look at this as 2 and 3. We could look at this as 3 and 2. It's very important to be able to subitize numbers, to be able to look at them and know how many by looking. So this is 5. Give me another number, Eric.
Okay. No number.
Give me another number.
6.
6? Okay, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This guy just needs a nose. 6. You see his little face there? 6. Right there. All right, Eric, give me another one. Another number.
Okay.
Tell me a number.
60.
Ooh, that's too big. Do you think 60 marshmallows would fit right there?
No.
No, so let's keep it a smaller number.
Let's get a big number.
How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? You know what? We've already used 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, or 9. What number do you want?
Big numbers can be there.
What number do you want to pick?
60.
We already have 6. So you know what? We'll pick 0 because that's the other number in 60. 0. All right. What about another number? Give me one more number. Do you want to pick 4 or 7?
7.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. let's write that number. 7. When we write numbers or letters, we always go from top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom. Well, I guess not always left to right. Like the 6, we would start with right. But always from top to bottom. We always start at the top line and go down. So, we have 7. So let's compare these numbers before we put the top line. All right. So we have 10. This one has 10 on it. Now pick another one. Eric, your turn. Pick one. 5, 6, 0, or 7.
6 is no.
Okay, so the other number he picked was 6. 10, does 10 have more on it or less?
More.
It has more. So the word for more is greater. Say 10 is greater than 6.
Yeah.
Say it. Say 10 is greater than 6.
10 is greater than 6.
10 is greater than 6. So that means that 6 is less than 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's do one more. Pick a number.
Which one number wants another number?
10, 5, 6, 0, or 7. Pick one.
5 one out.
5 is one of them. Okay, what's the other one?
No.
Pick one. 10, 6, 0, or 7.
We don't want the other ones. Because we don't want a lot of them.
Okay, so you want to pick 0 because it doesn't have any? Okay, 0. 5 and 0. Which one has more or greater?
Here's all the ones there.
I did. It'll come off. No worries. Now, friends at home, don't draw on your counters. Don't do it.
That's bad.
That's bad. We don't do that. Miss Anderson can do it, but friends at home don't do it. Okay? So we have 5 and we have 0.
You can draw on that, but not on there.
You would draw on paper or wax paper. Yeah, this is wax paper. 5 and 0. So which one has more or greater, Eric?
I don't know.
The 5? Does that have more marshmallows or does 0 have more marshmallows?
I must get 5 more.
5, because you would want the one that has more, right? You would want the one that has the greater number of marshmallows. So Eric says that that one has more or greater. And friends,
That's why
it's okay to use the word more when we're learning, but we need to know the word greater. So we use the word more to learn the word greater. So 5 is greater than 0. Say that, Eric. 5.
5 is greater
Than
him.
Then what?
5's greater. 5's greater than me.
5's greater than you. That's right. How old are you?
4.
That's right. 5 is greater than 4.
Yeah.
All right. You know what?
Hey, Robert.
What am I drawing?
Stop. You shouldn't do
I-
it.
I turned that into Eric. You said 5 is greater than me. So there you are, sweet little Eric.
9 like that.
5 is greater than 0. So we also know that 0 is less than 5.
I
Now-
1 out of 5.
Now, fabulous friends, time for the fun part. We are going to heat them up in the microwave. Let's see if our marshmallows will stay on. 1. Oop, not quite. 2. 3. 4. 5. We're going to put the tops on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When you're
And
done,
we're just going to heat them up in the microwave. Now, friends, we could warm them up over a nice fire outside, or maybe even inside if you have a fireplace. We could do it lots of different. We could do it in the oven. Any way that we could heat them, we could definitely make the s'mores, right?
You shouldn't do that.
You shouldn't do what?
That. That's bad.
It's bad to write anywhere other than on paper, isn't it, Eric?
No, you should draw on the paper.
Yeah. But I had a special marker and special counter, so it is okay. And that came right up, but it doesn't off all counters.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
But no, don't. Can you draw on that?
I can draw on paper. You are right.
Mm-hmm. You can cut on paper.
All right. They are ready. Those look like yummy s'mores.
Yay.
And that has been another edition of Cooking Shenanigans with Mrs. Anderson, Math Edition.
It's